And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning. It is a cool, quiet, and pleasant start out there again this morning. We've got just a few clouds in Springfield, a very nice view of Hammond's Tower behind me. It is 57 degrees in Springfield right now with some calm winds and pleasant dew points in the middle 50s. We've got just a few clouds out there this morning, but again, things are dry and clear. Sally is a tropical depression with 30-mile-per-hour winds. The center of it back in Alabama, but the rain shield is dropping some heavy rain in parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and getting into North Carolina. Still expecting some heavy rain for those states after Sally dropped near record rain in the Florida Panhandle. 2 feet of rain from Gulf Shores to Pensacola. The map that we have here ran out of colors. You see that little pink dot there? That's where you got some totals over 2 feet, because my map only takes us to 15 inches. So again, just incredible rain, because that storm, as we mentioned, was slow and stayed there for nearly 2 days. 2 feet of rain, that's what's causing all of that devastating flooding down in the panhandle there. So Sally continues to work its way north and east, dropping an additional 2 to 4 to 5 inches of rain from Atlanta through Raleigh, Charlotte, and into Norfolk, Virginia, as it finally exits this weekend. So again, locally, we've got a little front coming through behind Sally. Sally bringing some heavy rain to parts of Georgia this morning. This front will come through pretty quietly this morning because our air mass is still very dry. The tropical soaking is to the south and east, and our air, you can see by the purples here, is very dry. So as that front comes through, it's not going to really do much. You'll have maybe just a couple of clouds as we'll find a wind shift, and that's about it. So our weather staying pretty quiet here locally. You're looking at maybe a few clouds this afternoon. You can see where that front works its way south with the cloud cover, highs in the upper 70s. Overnight, crisp and cool with those overnight lows in the middle and upper 50s. And by tomorrow, gorgeous sunshine again, cool with those highs in the upper 70s. A fall feel really coming behind this front. As that front kicks Sally out, you'll find a fall shot coming in through the weekend into early next week, where we'll have lots of sunshine, some winds out of the north and east, and that's going to drop off the temperatures and have it feeling like fall. Our average for this time of year is 80 degrees. We're looking at highs in the upper 70s through the end of the week and into the weekend, gradually starting to get a little bit warmer going into early next week, back into the lower 80s. The overnight is where you'll really feel this cool down. Our average overnight low is 58 degrees, and we're looking at some lows in the low to middle 50s by this weekend. Could have some cool starts, maybe some upper 40s possible for areas up in central Missouri. So a couple of cool nights ahead, and again, then we'll come back up to average by the middle of next week. 79 degrees today, mostly sunny and cooler. Crisp and cool tonight, 54 degrees. 77 degrees tomorrow, mostly sunny with a fall feel. The 7-day is gorgeous, quiet, no signals for rain, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 70s and lower 80s, overnight lows in the 50s. The first official day of fall is on Tuesday.